Hey, future product design pros. Ever wished you could turn your WooCommerce store into a creative playground where customers design their own dream products? That's where Lumise Editor swoops in like a superhero cape optional, but definitely awesome. Hey, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Sleeker Digital. In this course, we'll turn you into a Lumise wizard in just 8 bite-sized lessons. You'll learn to upload products, automate orders, calculate prices like a math genius, and even add fonts so fancy they'd make Shakespeare jealous. Lumise isn't just a plugin, it's your sidekick for effortless customization. Imagine customers personalizing mugs, shirts, or even cat sweaters. Yes, really, while you kick back as orders roll in. Plus, with features like mask images and email automation, you'll save time and look cool doing it, ready to stop selling products and start selling experiences. Let's make your store the creative hub it deserves to be. Hit subscribe and let's dive into Lesson 1,